Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to link Calendly with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to log into Claude. Then we're going to go to Customize from the left-hand side. Then we're going to select Connectors. Then we're going to click the plus symbol, we're going to say browse connectors, and here we're going to use the search bar to look for Calendly. We're going to select Calendly, and all we have to do is to click on connect, log into Calendly, and that's exactly how you can link Claude with Calendly. Now, before you begin, you can pay attention under tools. What you see here are all the ready-made functions, all the ways that Claude can work together with Calendly. So Claude can help you to schedule events, delete events, invite people, and a lot more things. Of course, after you link Calendly with Claude, then you can ask Claude how else it can help you to work with Calendly. And that's it. That's how easy it is to link Calendly with Claude. Now, one more time, you are going to log into Claude. You're going to click on Customize, Connectors, add a new connector, browse connector, select Calendly, log in, and that's exactly how you can link the tools. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.